Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. I'm Catherine Butalon, 32 years old, single. I'm a high school graduate. I have four sisters and three brothers, and I'm the third of the family. I work in the Philippines as a domestic helper in 2 years. I took care of two children. One is 11 years old and the other is 7 years old. They both go to school, so I wake up early in the morning to prepare her breakfast and to help her to take a bath and prepare her uniform. And we walk together, go to school because the house of my employer is just close at the school. And after that, I'm going to back to the house of my employer to do the house chore, cleaning, washing, and many. Then after that, I'm waiting until 4 p.m. to pick up the two kids of my employer at school. Then after that, I'm help her to do their homework. Later that, I'm cook dinner to the whole family. I want to work at Hong Kong so that I could earn more to help my family and to help my two younger brother and sister to finish her at school. I want to work at Hong Kong because I know that the employer is treat the domestic helper well. I hope you like me. I'm hardworking, patient. I devote most of the time of the kids and to follow the instruction of my madam. Please choose me. I promise to finish my contract and work more if you still need me. Thank you and have a good day, ma'am, sir.